Alright, I'm gonna try something I've never tried before. Got a urethane power feeder wheel here in the lathe. I gotta make it a little thinner to fit. These are of course aftermarket wheels, or you know, new wheels. Here's the ones that came with it. You can see they're significantly bigger. 3/8 of an inch, half an inch bigger. And of course these have some wear, like they've been rubbing too against the power feeder, but you see these when they're mounted won't even turn. Today I went and bought some longer bolts and some washers, but that's not going to work because there's very little right here that actually engages inside this ID right there. So I'm going to try to turn down this, all of these about to there, somewhere in that neighborhood. No precision needed here. Again, you can see how much bigger the new wheels are compared to the old ones. So that's about right. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Haven't been on the lathe in a while, so I'm gonna be excited to get back on that thing. I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna film what's happening. Got it chucked up right now. So we'll see. Here we go. Slow here. That wasn't so bad. It's weird though, the rubber sticking up above the cast aluminum, I guess. I think it's cast aluminum. It's soft. Let me go measure something real quick. I'll be right back. So here's what I want to measure. I want to see if, oops, 0. I want to see if one side's deeper than the other. Again, it's nothing that important. So 2.88 millimeter for some reason. I'm in millimeters now. 2.83. So they're the same. All right, that's what I was checking. So it doesn't matter what side I take off. So I'm gonna keep going. Let's speed it up a little bit, I think. Let's go to let's see, B1. All right, I'm really impressed with that, actually. I am impressed. It turned really well. It likes high speeds, heavy cuts. That thing can be a high speed. I say high speeds, but it was like I don't know what it was at. It was like a 600 maybe. 600, but look at that. It's like those big rubber. That thing could be a gasket for something. It's some pretty good aluminum chips, I think. I don't like that rubber in there, that's for sure, but I think this is gonna work for what I need. Looks pretty nasty in there, but I think that is gonna do it. What I need. Let's go see if it fits. All right, it's safe to say I think I took way too much off of that first one. I just need to take a little bit off these next two. But it'll work. Third one. It's working. That's the fast speed. So here's fast. There we go. So, me turning them down on the lathe worked out. You see that front one, I took too much off, but I don't know if y'all can see that. That's got a little bigger gap than the other two, but that'll work out. That's what I took off of them. That's the old wheels. So, cool. A few more things to do before I get it in operation. I need to build an auxiliary fence to go with this, which is going to be easy. I'm going to make that out of plywood. next couple days. But yeah, the metal lathe comes through again on the power feeder. This is a little short video. Y'all, thanks for watching. Just a quick note. Cover everything up next time you're doing rubber. There's some kind of urethane on this. It crap's everywhere. And when it mixes with oil, it don't come up very well. Yeah, it's nasty. It's nasty stuff. Real nasty. That's it.